Dinomina ng Batangas Ram Masters mga idol ang Binyan Best Motorcycle sa 4th quarter game 2 ng kanilang semi-final game para ma-extend pa ang series into game 3. Kaya tara mga idol, ating panoorin ang kanilang 4th quarter action. Pero bago dyan mga idol, paki-like naman, share at subscribe sa ating channel.
The margin for error is very slim in these type of games. Yeah. Apinan, Amboluto with a jumper, got it. Back-to-back hits for John Amboluto.
I think Binyan really wanted to rest Carlo Lastimosa more, but in this situation, kailangan mo talaga siyang ipasa po.
Curva gets his own miss. And that's a foul on Jexter Apinan. Ibang klase.
Ibang klase. Grabe talaga mga Batanggenyo.
Curva, another split at the line.
The whistles are being blown.
Apinan. Amboluto, the one-hander. Tumama si Mike Maestre. Amboluto.
The zone defense here. Trying to negate Mark Pingris, John Amboluto.
There's a foul on Amboluto. Himpayan will go to the line. Waray sinks the free throw. 2 for 2 for this final period of Game 2. South Division semifinals. Levi Hernandez with the advantage. Panyamogan with a shot fake. The runner from Philip. 7 with his playmaking. Jexter Apinan. A strong drive to the cup. And it's a 9-point lead for Batangas with under 4 minutes to play.
This time around, attacking from the half-court line, the left side. Ginamita pa ng kaliwa itong si
Lai as well. They were on hand last night as Pangasinan completed the series win over San Juan. Lastimosa with a quick response. Peña-Redondo. Lastimosa blocking foul on Philip Panyamogan.
But they're on the penalty right now.
And we have a friend. He gets the bounce. 11 in the ball game para kay Carlo Lastimosa. And let's go back to Mika.
Just a moment for Mark Pingris, ano? So Delph, you talked about his pace earlier. Sabi niya sa akin, meron daw parang nag-ignite sa nerves niya thinking of getting into the division finals. Kaya puro daw pa-kondisyon itong si Pinoy Sakuragi. May goosebumps daw ito and it will be part of his legacy, no doubt. Pero ito yung nagustuhan ko. Sabi niya sa akin, akalain mo, baka mapasama ako sa likes ni Justin Baltazar.
Third one. Ablaza to Amboluto. Fade away. No. Foul. Pingris.
John Amboluto smiling. That's a second foul. He's got strong.
Yeah. An impactful player.
Actually, when I heard that story on that bench,
defensively, Batangas outstanding here. Oh, Peña-Redondo.
That's huge.
With a 3. Check out this 3-ball galing kay Peña-Redondo. All the attention on Ryan Sual.
Yeah, and you can see there in that frame that Peña-Redondo. And I like this. I like Philip Panyamogan holding the ball here and trying to execute.
Valoria gets away. Amboluto backs it in.
The quality minutes. That's 8 points already for John Amboluto. And I like that you mentioned that John Valoria 3. It's very similar to that Ian Melencio 3 that you also mentioned that past game, which swung the momentum for Pangasinan. A similar story here again for Batangas.
Peña-Redondo, defense scrambling. Peña-Redondo with a tough shot.
But that's a 2. Photos on the line there. There again, I like this again. Philip Anyamogan, give the ball in his hands and trust him to make a good decision here. The pick and roll maestro talking about, ooh, what a call.
Oh. That does not usually get called.
Yeah, and for a referee to call it at the end of the game too.
Yeah. 67 to 59.
That's very odd.
Yun, okay, that was a 50-50 call.
Yeah, and referees don't usually call that anymore.
Pamboy, they go down low to Peña Redondo against Panyamogan. Ball knocked away, recovered by Peña Redondo. Inside they go, ball is loose. It will stay with Binyan. Lastimosa has taken some hits in this ball game. 52 seconds remaining. Just a quick shout out kay Boss Kaiser Galvez, still watching right now. Siyempre si kaibigan natin na laging nanonood, sumusuporta sa MPBL. Siyempre from the Muntinlupa Cagers. Randy Del Mundo, tropa natin, also enjoying the game. Binyan will keep the ball. 52 seconds remaining.
I think your first option here off that baseline play should be for Peña Redondo or Mark Pingris. You gotta feed the hot hand in this situation. Try to get a quick hitter here as well with 52 seconds left in the ball game.
Pingris. No. That should be the game.
Yeah, it should be.
And it looks like we are coming back here sa Batangas for a knockout game. Levy against Pamboy. Levy. Ochea. What a game for Don Ochea.
Yeah.
That is his 11th rebound. Valoria for three. Yes!
Night. That's a night for Jong Valoria.
Peña Redondo hits another three. And we have a game 3